everyone, welcome to the community classroom. This is Dr. Tracy McCarthy, psychologist, attorney, and educator. And as we are wrapping things up, we are going to make this one last quick video related to legal standing. Now, there is a legal definition for legal standing, and we have several videos in the community classroom related to legal standing. And so those are linked in the community section, and there are a few more, but those are the main two that are linked in the community section. However, I'm going to make this short and concise. Legal standing is about skin in the game. In order to track down where this dynamic related to the term black having no standing in law came from, I did a review of videos that use this in the title. And this is unclear. Individuals need to be very clear about what it is they are saying, what it is they are asserting, and perhaps there's another word that people are actually searching for when they are saying the term black has no standing in law, because there is a definition of standing, and it really does not fit with this idea of the term black having no standing in law. And so perhaps there's some other construct that individuals are thinking about that does not translate to the construct of standing. Apparently, this idea of the term black having no standing in law, these discussions started with individuals who identify as either Moorish American or American Indian. And so what needs to happen is that those individuals need to be the ones who actually provide the clarity related to this construct. And so, as you can see, Dane Calloway has perhaps the largest number of views related to this construct of the term black having no standing in law. So it's incumbent upon individuals who still have questions related to this to actually go back to the individuals who initially asserted this dynamic and have them explain, based upon their understanding, what it is that they are talking about. And again, people need to understand that they have responsibility for whatever it is that they are putting out. So when individuals put out these assertions, and you have 161,000 individuals watching this, individuals need to take responsibility for that. And so when people are putting out information about what they perceive the law to be, it is incumbent upon them to then provide that legal clarity. You can see here additional content related to this construct of black having no standing at law. And again, these individuals need to make it clear what it is that they are talking about. If they have failed to make it clear and individuals still have questions, it is incumbent upon those who have the questions and those who have provided this content to come together and have a meeting of the minds related to what it is that they are talking about. Individuals should not leave a video content with this many questions. It's also noted that this discussion recently appeared. This is not something that has been going on for decades. And so this again is something that appears to be a social media dynamic, and it needs to be cleared up in the social media space. Now we're going to quickly go over the definition of standing in law. You can actually watch the older videos related to standing. There are a few of them again. This is the basic definition. Standing is the ability of a party, meaning an individual, meaning an entity, to bring a lawsuit in court based upon their stake in the outcome. Remember, it's about that skin in the game. A party seeking to demonstrate standing must be able to show to the court a sufficient connection to and harm from the law or action that is challenged. And so if that is not occurring, then the individual will be found to have a lack of standing. And in that case, a suit may be dismissed. And to wrap this up, if those individuals who are identifying as Moorish or those individuals who are identifying as Indian believe that there is another definition related to standing that is not covered here, or that is not covered in any law books, that's not covered by any other actual attorney, those individuals need to get together and again have a meeting of the minds related to what it is that they are talking about, because perhaps they are talking about another construct that goes by another name, but when using this particular term, this is what goes with this. And so if it's another construct that people are talking about, people need to get a clear understanding of what it is that they are talking about. And then if individuals are more clear about what that is beyond this, then we can address that. We're wrapping things up in the community classroom, but that's a loose end that can definitely be tied up. And so if individuals are able to articulate exactly what it is that they are talking about outside of this, that relates to this idea of standing in terms of the law, you can please put those comments in the comment section, or even better, if individuals have more clarity, make a video related to that clarity, and then you can put the link to that video down below. Remember, knowledge is power. Take care and see you soon.